How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a badass 66 Chevelle SS 396. It is a clone. It's got a LS3 in it. Super cool car. Gorgeous show quality. It's LeMans Blue. See, eyebrow moldings and hood moldings have all been replaced. The bumpers have been re-chromed. Here's the original grille in the car. Car's super straight, flat down the sides. Absolute gorgeous car. Like I said, 18-inch rev wheels. 8's up front, 9.5's in the back. So the rear bumper's been re-chromed. All the tail panel and tail light trim's all new. This car is an absolute blast to drive. See how straight the car is down the sides. And this show quality paint on this car. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got all four-wheel disc brakes, drilled slotted rotors, all Hotchkiss suspension with two bay arms, front and rear coilovers. It's got a 6.2 LS3. It's all been professional built with the Phi-Tech fuel injection, sheet metal intake, Texas speed cam. It's got all your vintage AC and heat. It's got a 4L80 E-Trans in it. Aluminum radiator and everything. It's got quick steering gearbox. It's a 12-bolt posi rear. See all the jams. Interior's in excellent condition. Very nice. Nicely updated with the Dakota classic instrumentation in it. It's got tilt wheel. The front rear seat belts. Original center console. Got the old factory spare and jack. Trunk floor all looks real good in it. Tell you, it's a real solid, nice car. Got a retro stereo system, front and rear speakers. It's got low car accelerator. It's got your monitor handheld so you can tune it the way you like. Shifters all been redone to work with the 4L80. Tell you, it's just a super cool car. Got a mild cam in it. It's got stainless Flowmasters on it. Just nice sound and exhaust. super, super nice car right there. Absolute blast to drive. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.